Hello, my dear brothers and sisters of truth. What is happening here? Red Bull has a new president, and there are the most people. They don't want to vote that. They want to have a cola, you know? Because I think there is a less of cola, you know? Why are you doing that? Why you need always cola? Why you need always cola? You know, it's ice, but no cola, okay? And it's always like that. If the people think they would get something, they're staying here. But they see that they don't get anything. And I'm here to save you. I'm the new Messiah. Come to me. Don't come to the cola. They go to the cola, they don't go to me. I can help you. I can save you. I can bring you to the heaven, you know? Okay, bye-bye.